Alright, so I just got this piece of shitty Amazon light bar, and I figured I'd make an install video on it, even though I'm like a quarter of the way there. So my light bar, well, first of all, they sent me the wrong size. I ordered a 24, they gave me a 21. And so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to drill out right here and right here, and then just bolt it to there, and then wire it up, because my plan was to go have these hooks go down, have it push up, but that's not gonna work. So I have to do it like that. Okay, so like usual, I don't have any of the right parts, so I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy a bit. Look at this beast. Ooh, she's for sale. Trading her out. So, I go to the fucking hardware store and Jesus, I had to go get a bit to cut through this. So that's what I'm off to go do. So I got the damn bit and like $11 for this thing. Are you fucking kidding me? $11. Okay, whatever. Light bar. Alright, so hopefully I don't fuck this up. Actually, shit, hold on. Let's not be stupid. It's in my driveway. So, hey. There we go. Bit was not worth fucking $11. You kidding me? I still got to record into this. I'm gonna record in a minute. Hold on. So actually drove it pretty well. Now to see. Let's see. Oh, it should work. Let me mount it up real quick.
The biggest thing.
Well, actually, light bars are really easy to set up. Like, I was sitting there for like 5 minutes, and I'm like, the fucking. I thought this was a relay. I'm like, dude, where's the gun? Like, there's no way it can go anywhere. And I was just kind of freaking out, making sure I wasn't gonna blow my thing up. But oh, stop, fucking dick. This is Greg, and tuck the wire through here, under here, the switch right there, and let's see what it looks like.
You want to turn it on?
No. Actually, yeah, go ahead. I know. I'm supposed to see what it looks like. Not bad. Yeah, that's it.